This 2025 Coachmen Brookstone 374RK is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Seguin, Texas, 78155 and is offered for sale by Seguin RV. Click the link in the video description to see more photos as well as the current price. This new Coachmen is 42 feet 2 inches in length and features sleeps 4, DVD player, leveling jacks, oven, water heater, refrigerator, awning, smoke detector, carbon monoxide detector, TV, auxiliary battery, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features front bedroom, kitchen island, rear kitchen, U-shaped kitchen. The unloaded weight of this 2025 Coachmen Brookstone 374RK is 13,020 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to Seguin RV.